Hi, I'm Daviana from Miss Lambert's 3rd grade class. Welcome to the first episode of Jim's TV Season 6.
Hi, I'm Jack, also from Miss Lambert's class. We are excited to be in the Jim's TV studio today.
Hi, I'm Maya, who's surprising us, also from Miss Lambert's. And I agree, it is great to be here.
Hi, I'm Isaac. You'll never guess what class I'm from.
Miss Lambert's?
Ding, 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 ding. Anyway, after all the summer, we are back with another episode of Gems TV Express.
Time to celebrate.
We have so many birthdays.
And Proud Principal Awards too.
Let's start with the September birthdays.
Here are the students in pre-K and kindergarten who celebrated birthdays back in September.
Moving along to the 1st and 2nd graders with September birthdays.
Last but not least, these 3rd and 4th graders celebrated last month as well. There's even more to celebrate.
These students received Proud Principal Awards in September.
Way to go, kindergarteners!
Awesome work, 1st graders.
These 2nd grade gems sure sparkle.
3rd grade, it's your time to shine.
Rock on, 4th graders.
And we aren't stopping there. There are more birthdays to celebrate.
Let's hear it for the pre-K and kindergartners celebrating in October.
Hope these 1st and 2nd grade October birthdays are spooky good.
No tricks, just treats for these 3rd and 4th grade birthdays.
Wow, that was a lot of celebrating.
It's always one of the best parts of the show. This week's feature is about the assembly on September 8th.
This was really exciting to have because there hasn't been one in a long time.
Great to get the ball rolling again after last year.
Here's an inside peek.
Don't you mean outside peek?
Yes, outside peek of what the assembly was like.
Miss Young says jump twice again. Miss Young says spin around and jump. Miss Young says touch your toes, touch your hips.
How did the mermaid call her friends? On a cell phone. Which Star Wars character works at Applebee's? Darth Vader. What does the janitor say when he jumps into the closet? Surprise!
assembly looked like lots of fun.
I would have to agree.
Those jokes were so funny.
They definitely were.
Thank you for tuning in for our first episode of Jim's TV Express this season.
That's a wrap.
We will return with another great episode.
Until next time,
Remember to be
Respectful, responsible, and safe.